everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today I'm excited to share a great news with you all that Brigade Group is coming up with a new launch in Sholinganur, Medavakkam, Chennai. That the project name is Brigade Morgan Heights. And today we'll be revealing the teaser for the same. But before everything, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing on the exact land parcel. So this is the temporary marketing office and about the perfect marketing office. So this is the marketing office that is being developed. And about the land parcel is over here, just behind the temporary marketing office. Now, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. But you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area. Let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So, this project is going to be launched in total 14.72 acres of land parcel with total 3 towers. Currently launching with 2 towers, that is Tower 2 and Tower 3. So, this is the Tower 2 with still plus 18 floor with 3 car parking and remaining for residential, and this is Tower 3 with still plus 13 floors with 2 car parking and remaining for residential. This project will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, this is Tower 1 for future development. Now coming to the location part. So project is located on Perumbakam main road in Sholinganur in Chennai. Now let me show you, this is the Perumbakam main road. Project is just opposite to the Escort SCL Tech Park over this side. Now let me tell you about the further connectivity of the project. Major Tech Park is 5 minutes away from the project. International Airport is 15 minutes away. Multi-specialist hospital is 10 minutes away from the project. Now coming to the amenities part. So this project provides you 30 plus luxurious amenities like of, you can check out. Here is the clubhouse with swimming pool on the rooftop with indoor games, garden area, sitting area, lawn area and many more. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK with 3 dimensions like with 2 toilets, 3 toilets and 3 toilets with maid room, and even 4 BHK with 4 toilets and maid room. So 2 BHK starting from 1251 to 1325 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1439 to 1937 square feet. 4 BHK plus 4 toilet with maid room is starting from 2532 to 2599 square feet super built up area. So to know more, you can visit our website www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. So everyone, this was a teaser of the residential project Brigade Morgan Heights located in Sholinganur, Medavakkam Road in Chennai, a project by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.